Sleeping in a small bedroom is not something that you wish to experience. However, you still have to put up with limited space for some reasons. As a result, you don't have enough room for your clothes and closet. Don't be upset and blame the compact space if it happens to you. In fact, this is the chance for you to be creative and think outside the box. Luckily, we've gathered these 10 closets with innovative designs ideal for a small bedroom to help you cope with limited space. As always, SimpHome presents you with the list. Number 10. Make a tilt-out laundry hamper. Do you store your laundry hampers in your small bedroom? Your exposed dirty clothes can be an eyesore, not to mention the floor space they take over. Instead of exposing your dirty clothes, you can try hiding them away in your closet with this tilt-out laundry hamper. You can make this tilt-out laundry hamper by tweaking your existing closet. Try installing the hinges at the bottom of the closet door. Add a window stay or gas spring to each side of the door. You also need to invest in a wire stand to hold your laundry hampers in place. You can make this tilt-out laundry hamper from scratch if you're into woodworking. You can begin with creating the frame and legs and assemble them. To make the tilt-out cabinets, you must install Euro hinges at the bottom of the cabinet door. Then you need to cut some scrap wood to make the holders of your laundry hamper. Cut a 35-degree angle at one end and a 55-degree angle at the other. You will find the door of your laundry hamper opens more widely than you expected. To overcome this problem, you can place another scrap wood on the side of the cabinet. The holder will catch it when it opens. Number 9. A compact walk-in closet idea. When you have a small closet, you might think to put everything in a line so you have plenty of floor space. It may work, however, this layout would be much better. You can begin installing hanging rods and shelves on both sides, creating a symmetrical look. This way, you can stroll in the middle. You can also invest in some clear boxes placed at the bottom to stash away your footwear and bed sheets. Number 8. Vary the sizes. This one is another tiny closet that may inspire you. You can begin by installing the shelves from top to bottom. Do not forget to leave some space in the middle to hang your clothes. It is also essential to vary the width of the shelves because you'll store different kinds of things. You may also want to hang the rods a bit higher so you can stash away your suitcase or other big items under the hanging clothes. Number 7. Triple your hangers. You may have learned about the benefits of installing a higher rod to have space for another rod. Instead of installing 2 rods simultaneously, you can try adding 3 or even 4 rods at the same spot. You will not install them along the wall. You'll make them protrude from the wall. That way, you can have more space to hang your clothes. 6. Install a carousel inside the closet. Do you still remember the moment you rode a carousel at a festival? It must have been fun. Now you can bring this fun idea into your closet to tackle the awkward corner. You can install a Lazy Susan to house your shoes or accessories. If making a Lazy Susan from scratch is too much trouble, try installing a multi-tier rotating jewelry display stand that you can buy from a store. Do you know that having more storage space does not necessarily entail having a large closet? Sometimes, when we have many clothes on display, they take up significantly more room than we would like them to. We discuss this anomaly in a blog post titled 10 Ideas on How to Make Your Small Closet Feel Double in Size. You can enjoy the discussion in a video format too. Number 5. Try a pocket door. If your sleeping space is so tiny that you don't have enough space for foot traffic, a sliding door for your closet will be your greatest bet. Even better, you can have a sleeker, more finished look with a pocket door. A pocket door works the same as a sliding door. You open it by sliding it sideways, not pulling it so it swings outwards like you do with many standard doors. The good thing about a pocket door is it slides into the wall as if it's disappeared. That way, you can use the wall space to incorporate additional storage solutions. Number 4. Clear drawers. Drawers are eminently versatile. You can stash away anything you want in them. No wonder every closet has drawers because they're a convenient way to organize things. You can find drawers in various designs, however, they can be mundane sometimes. Thus, you need to try these clear drawers. These clear drawers will complement the modern interior of your bedroom. Besides, they allow you to see what is inside more easily so you don't have to scatter the items you store there. Number 3. Invest in adjustable rods. Some manufacturers produce adjustable racks, which may be something that your small bedroom needs. The good thing about these racks is you can adjust their height and add as many shelves or rods as possible to meet your requirements. Their flexibility and versatility suit any compact room, including your bedroom. Number 2. Utilize pegboards. Another versatile item you need to try is a pegboard. People usually hang a pegboard in the garage to house tools. Today, more people realize that a pegboard is a savvy storage solution because they can hang it in any room in their house, including the bedroom. You can try hanging a pegboard behind your closet door. Then you can add as many dowels or racks as you want to store your accessories, sunglasses, purses, and other stuff. Before we close out our countdown, we'd like to inform you that we have a YouTube video playlist titled Simp Home Finance Series. It lists not only our video productions, but also there you'll be able to access all kinds of information you can use to understand and simplify your home's financial challenges. We'll see you there, and until we meet again later, sometime in the future, let's close out our countdown with lastly, number 1, squeeze your shoes in. People usually organize their shoes by putting them in boxes or racks and placing them on the closet floor. You might think you can repeat these steps when you have more footwear. It will work. However, stacking up many boxes under the rod is not that pretty. It'll look messy. Therefore, you should try these hanging shoe shelves. These hanging shoe shelves will allow you to store footwear without taking up more floor space. You only need to hang them on the rod and you're good to go. When planning closet remodels, there are several important considerations to think about. Here are several ways to prepare to get the new look you want. Number 1. Respect your available space. First, place your clothing flat on its hanger, either hanging straight down or folded at the top. To determine the appropriate lengths for the short and long item rods, measure the height of each pile. Remember that hangers require sliding rooms. Stack foldable 10 inches high. Any higher and they might fall. Each stack requires a shelf length of 14 inches. Stack your clothes and accessories vertically in neat piles. Folders work well for shirts, sweaters, socks, and underwear, but don't forget shoes, belts, scarves, hats, and jewelry. Ensure you have enough room at the top for jackets and coats. Number 2. How will you find the best measurement for your ideal closet? The ideal reach-in closet is 6 to 8 feet wide and 24 to 30 inches deep. Double doors are the best if they have enough space to swing open. To avoid blind alleys, the interior of the return walls, the ones to which the doors are attached, should not be longer than 18 inches. That's it for now, but before you leave, as a final reminder, you can press the subscribe button, continue with our finance playlist, visit Simp Home, or continue your research related to the particular topic using She's Fine. Whatever choice you make, we appreciate every second you spend playing the video. Best of luck to you, your health, and your projects. Until we meet again later on a different day, thanks for watching.